Formally, the word management mostly used in restaurant and circuses. Then after it has acquired much glory and importance. Management is the critical element in the growth of any country by bringing together four factors of production: man, money, material and machines for the rapid economic development. Proper effective management, proper utilization of the human resources and as well as material resources is very vital for any country. Management and management principles used in all organized efforts, in all business organizations, departments such as educational, political, social and also in government. We can define management or we can derive definition of management from the management word. Management means management tactfully is called management. Simply manage man tactfully is called management. But the term management was defined differently by different management writers. According to Mary Parker Follett, management is the art of getting things done through people. Management is the art of getting things done through people. Another hand, George R. Terry defined management as a process consisting of planning, organizing, activating and controlling, performed to determine and accomplish the objective by the use of people and resources. Another famous definition provided by management writer Henry Pure: to manage it, to forecast and to plan, to manage it, to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. Rosemary also defined management. Management means decision making. Management means simply decision making. J.D. Money also defined management. Management is the act of directing and inspiring people. Management is the act of directing and inspiring people. There is different management functions or the process of management. There is disagreement on management functions or on the process of the management. Some of the management writers say management functions 4, management functions 5, 6, 7. One of the management writer, Luther Gulick, also suggests management functions such as 7. Like Potts Corp, he suggested one equation: Potts Corp. P stands for planning, O stands for organizing, D stands for directing, S stands for staffing, R stands for reporting, B stands for budgeting. But there is 5 management functions generally used in business organizations or all activities. One is planning. Planning is the function that determine in advance Planning is the function that determine in advance what should be done. What should be done? It is looking ahead. It is looking ahead and preparing for the future. It is looking ahead and preparing for the future. Second management function is organizing. In organizing, basically proper utilization of human resources as well as material resources. Proper utilization of human resources as well as material resources. Third management function is staffing. In staffing, basically selection of the right person for the right place at the right time at the right cost. In staffing, basically selection of the right person for the right place at the right time at the right cost. Another management function known as directing. Directing comprises of three sub-functions. First one is communication. Basically communications means passing information and understanding from one person to another person is called communication. Second one is leadership. In leadership, manager guides and influence the work of his subordinate. Manager guides and influence the work of his subordinates. Third one is motivation. Motivation basically means it is an act of stimulating and inspiring. It is an act of stimulating and inspiring workers to work efficiently and effectively to achieve the goal of the organization. Last management function is controlling. In controlling, manager try to ensure that there is no deviation against plan, policy and programs which is adopted in planning. These are the management functions of the process of management.